Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix League of Legends when it's not working properly. Let's go step by step. First, open the start menu and search for Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager. Look for Riot Client, Riot Vanguard or League of Legends. If you see any of them running, click on it. Search here like League of Legends and etc. I don't have it, so I will just show you the sample. Just right click on it and click on End Task. This closes everything fully. Now step 2, open the start menu again and type services and click on the services. Now press V here, quickly jump down, find VGC and double click on it. So I don't have VGC, so I will just click on this and keep this thing in your mind that on VGC startup type must be automatic and the status is running. Now click OK, then restart the service. Click on this. Now try opening League again. If still not working, go to start menu and search add or remove programs. Find Riot Vanguard here and click uninstall. How to uninstall it? Simply just click on the app you want to uninstall, the three dots, click on the three dots and click on uninstall. This is how you can uninstall the Riot Vanguard. So now when you launch League of Legends again, Riot Vanguard will automatically reinstall. That should fix the problem. That's it guys. After all these steps, restart your PC again and this will work now. If it worked, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.